In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AWS key pair. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a newcomer to the cloud computing world, this guide will walk you through the straightforward process of generating a key pair on AWS. It's an essential skill for anyone looking to secure their EC2 instances effectively. To begin, fire up your preferred web browser and navigate straight to the AWS website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you're a first-timer, you'll need to create an account before proceeding. Once logged in, direct your attention to the AWS Management Console. To find what we're looking for, use the search bar and type in EC2. This will bring you to the Amazon EC2 dashboard, which is your gateway to launching and managing virtual servers, or instances, in the cloud. Now, on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a navigation pane. Look for the section labeled Network and Security, and under this section, find and click on Key Pairs. This is where you'll manage all your key pairs. We're going to create a new key pair, so click the button that says Create Key Pair. When you do this, a configuration window will appear. Here, you'll need to fill in some details about your new key pair. Start by giving your key pair a name. It's good practice to choose a name that helps you easily identify its purpose or the instance it will be associated with. Next, select the key pair type. Typically, you'll choose between RSA and ED25519. If you're unsure, RSA is a common choice that's widely supported. Following this, you'll need to decide on the private key file format. If you're using a Linux or Mac system to connect, you might want to opt for the .pem format. However, if you're connecting from a Windows machine using PuTTY, the .ppk format is more suitable. Once all your choices are locked in, it's time to press Create Key Pair. Your browser will automatically initiate the download of your private key file. This file is named based on what you've specified earlier, such as mykeypair.pm or mykeypair.ppk. Now comes a crucial step. Save this downloaded file in a secure location on your computer. Remember, this file is the key to accessing your EC2 instances, and without it, you won't be able to connect to any instances launched using this key pair. Misplacing or losing this file could mean losing access entirely, so take care to store it securely. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created an AWS key pair, paving the way for a secure and efficient connection to your AWS resources. Stay tuned for more tutorials to enhance your cloud computing knowledge. Thanks for watching.